So aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should.
Hello everyone, my name's Evelyn Dawn, also known as Sun and Moon Makeup, and this video is me doing my makeup routine backwards. So I normally do my makeup by brows first, my eyes, and then my foundation. I don't know, I feel like there's less room for mistakes. Because if I do my brows first, I ain't gotta worry about concealing them too much. When I conceal them, I'm not gonna mess up any eyeshadow, and then I do my eyeshadow before my foundation. I'm not worried about messing up my foundation from fallout, or I'm just dumb and can't blend right. So before we go anywhere, we're just gonna stop, pause. Is that the pause button? We're gonna pause. You're gonna like this video, subscribe, you can leave me a comment or not, just do the first two and we'll be fine. We're gonna be going on to the first step. Just gonna be priming our face, which feels weird because I never do my makeup this way, which is the point of the video, but unless I'm doing like just an eyeshadow look, you know the one, no, you know those videos. Or if I'm just doing like just my foundation and like a normal brow. But this is gonna be interesting because I don't like doing this because I'm prone to messing up, which is always cute. Be starting off, I haven't done this in like a month or two. It's February. 2 months. So I prime my face with the NYX Honey Do Me Up. I love her when I'm on top of my game and doing my skincare correctly and I'm not stressed. This is high-key what has been saving my face. Saved this mess of a forehead, but she's back because someone's stressed. So moving on from that, I'm going to be using my one and only Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 112 Natural Ivory. I don't know, the Maybelline Fit Me is just an iconic foundation. She works beautifully, so. And as you can tell, I got a lot of rosacea going on because I am red. But it be like that sometimes, so we're just gonna buff her in with a wet beauty sponge because my foundation brush is disgusting with all the cream paint on it from my latest look. Well, my latest look, which is the 21 Savage and Post Malone inspired makeup look of Rockstar. Go check that out on my Instagram or Twitter, which is Sun and Moon, MUA. And we're gonna take a little on my ears because I have short hair. You can tell how red my ears look without the foundation on them. So just to not look red when I take pictures, we're gonna do that. We're gonna be using the Tarte Shape Tape and Light Sand and just going over. I know it says to use like a little bit is what people recommend. I kind of agree with that, but I'm also one of my habits, so we're just gonna go in. Bam. Dragging this down towards the ends of my nose a little bit. Leaving my under eyes alone, I'm gonna quickly buff out my chin, my cupid's bow, my forehead, and underneath where my contour would go. Okay, like I'm used to having my eyebrows done already by this point, so my eyebrows look so weird to me right now, so it's a look. Not a good look, but a look. So I'm gonna set my face with the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder, and this is gonna be all over. And then I'm going to switch over to my powder brush. And I'm just going to blend it in. So next up is baking. And I'm going to take my Hard Candy Fast and Fabulous translucent powder. And again with the puff, setting the high points of my face. This little angled brush, and I'm going to be taking my one and only Pro Vision Pro Contour Palette. I'm going to be taking these two, as you can tell, they're kind of well loved in these two. Taking these two contour shades, and I'll be starting off with this more bronzy shade. And just very lightly going in. Remember, lighter is always key when doing your contour because you can always go darker, not lighter. If you hear a weird noise, I have a rat now. That's also a new addition. He's a noisy boy. Don't know why, but he's a noisy boy. Now going into the more neutral contour shade, I'm going to be taking the tip of this angled brush. I'll be going into make it a little bit deeper. So I'm going to be taking off my highlight powder along here and buffing it out on the edge of my like so. Don't look like I did anything, but welcome to life. I guess we'll set. Taking my Catrice Prime and Fine Multi-Talent Fixing Spray. I never read the full name till now, so. Woo! And now we're gonna take a new addition to my collection. The Jaclyn Hill palette before I drop it. And actually, I'm a liar. I am going to be taking it, just not currently. I'm taking the one and only well-loved Modern Renaissance because it is the month of love and yada yada. I'm taking several pink shades from this. So I'm going to take Bon Fresco and the inner. That's my transition color. And we're just gonna be... And I'm just gonna very gently blend out this color. As such, before I go into Love Letter, take that more concentrated in my crease and blending those two colors together. And doing the pack and blend method, where I'm just gonna pack in all this pink and gently taking a little bit of Bon Fresco, dusting off most of it. We're just gonna come to that edge and blend her out. Taking more of Love Letter, I'm going to center this to my inner corner. My outer corner, I can't tell my left from my right either, so I'm very blending that in to get a nice rich little color. And from there, I'm going to be taking a little bit Cypress Umber, taking her very lightly in my outer corner to get a little nice dandy little concealer brush. I think it's an eyeshadow brush. I'm a liar, but I use it for nothing but concealer, so. Going in with my Tarte Shape Tape. And gently I'm actually doing like a half crease. Now going into the I use that palette too often. The Jaclyn Hill palette. It's backwards, I know. We're not going to say anything. I'm going to be going into taking a little bit of Sissy and Little Lady, as well as Venetian Red in my cut, half crease, whatever we're going to call it. I don't work here. So first I'm going to start this off with Venetian Red, mainly towards the outer corner before we get to Cypress Umber, pretty much. Keeping it nice, little transition we got going on. Then I'm gonna dip into Sissy first. Before I do that, we're gonna be taking primer, not a primer, setting spray. Gonna be spraying that so we get a nice color. So I'm gonna be taking Sissy, and we're just gonna going in to a little bit more of Little Lady. My Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit. And I'm going to be taking Pink Heart for my inner corner. Why it took me so long to say inner corner, I don't know. I'm going to take Burnt Fresco. I'm going to blend that out underneath my eye. And then going into Love Letter. So I'm going to go do the other eye, and then we're going to continue on with the face, because we still have to do my brows, and we're going to figure out how we're going to do that, because I am scared. Okay, so we're one brow down. It's not the best brow, but it's a brow. Taking the Aloe Cucumber and Green Tea Mario Askew Spray, I'm going to spray my little dome brush. Going into Pink Heart, and we're going to do the center, the tip of my nose, and down the tip of the bridge. That made no sense. But do that until you get your desired brightness. So while keeping this very pink and warm, I'm going to take some of the Bon Jovi palette. And gonna mix them together to get a really nice bright shade. Same goes for cheeks. I'm not gonna even spray this yet, so we're just gonna I'm gonna look cute for about 20 minutes while I take my pictures, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. So it's a mood. I'm gonna highlight my chin, which some of my friends are confused while I do it, but then I also see people who can't like highlight up here, so to each their own. Wow, I'm so cute. Blush. Why did I say blush like that? Who am I? Taking my big blush brush, we're gonna dip into the why can't I remember names? The Bon Jovi Don't You Want Me blush, and we're gonna really gently over that highlight we just did, because this is kind of a Valentine's look, if you would say. So, you know, you're gonna be all cute and flushed and look just all, oh, for me, thank you. Or that's your Oscars. Wow. I look so cute. So we're just gonna slap some mascara on the top lashes. I have a lip, so I'm going to be doing the Hard Candy Whatever and Ambitious. So I'm going to go in with the Hard Candy Whatever Devious. And I'm going to do a review of these two. I only have two of them, but they perform the same, so... So, this was me trying to do my makeup routine backwards. I thought it was gonna go badly. Came out pretty good if I say so myself. My brows are kind of patchy, but we all love a Swiss cheese brow. So, this is the finished look. Please subscribe. I try my best to upload frequently, but I am a high school student, so it takes a little bit. I haven't been able to upload in a while. I'm trying to even out my schedule. I'm reducing how often I post from Mondays and Fridays to either just Monday or Friday because I ain't got the time. I really don't. So, I'm trying. It's a two-way street. You give me positive feedback, I'll try a little bit more. I ain't getting any good feedback, so that's why I was gone for 2 months. So, you give me good feedback, I put out content. It's how it be. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you the next time I post. Bye!